How to post jobs on LinkedIn company page. So if you want to post jobs on your LinkedIn company page, then what you need to do is first you just need to simply open up your browser and go with LinkedIn and open up your LinkedIn company page. So just search for LinkedIn Corporation, go with login or sign up, and make sure to log into your company page. Once you've logged in, now you just need to simply go with jobs, which is on the upper right. And once you're under the jobs here on the left side, you will have start hiring or add a job option. You just need to simply go with add a job or start hiring. It's the same thing. Once you click on it, you'll get this kind of interface. So you just need to simply add the title that you're hiring for. So I'll be choosing content creator, and you can write with AI or you can write on your own. So I'll be writing on my own. Now, once you go with the title, you just need to simply go with company and workplace type, which is on-site, hybrid, or remote. So I'll be choosing remote, and then go with the employee location. And once you enter your location, you need to go with the job type, which is full-time, part-time, contract, temporary, other, volunteer, or internship. So you can simply choose any option that you're comfortable with. And under description, you can write some responsibilities and some qualifications. And after that, you can scroll down and you need to add a skill keyword, which is up to 10 maximum words to make your job more visible to the right candidates. And after that, you can go with the next question, which is how did you hear about LinkedIn jobs? You can select a source. For example, I'll be choosing TV and then go with next. Once you go with next, now this is the last page. You just need to simply go with the email address. So if you want to receive the applicants by the email, you can go with email or you can add an external website. So I'll be choosing email and enter your email address. And screening questions. So you can simply enter some questions. For example, I have 3 questions right here. So you just need to simply go with how many years of work experience do you have with the skill, and then go with the second one and third one. And this way you can add some screening questions. And after that, you can go with the qualification setting and you can write preview. You can see the example right here, and then go with continue, and you can select a payment method, and after that go with promote job, and your job will be posted. Or you can simply post without promoting. So go with post without promoting and go with a verification method, and then go with verify. And once you verify your verification method, then your post will be added. So that's how you can post jobs on your LinkedIn company page. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.